What's going on, everybody? Product Pro Quick Reviews coming back at you with another knife review, and today we're looking at the Purple Dragon knife by TacForce. This is the TF686. Got a little holographic feel, and those lights are a little bit too close, so it's giving a little bit of a glare, but you've got an engraved little dragon right there in the handle. And then you got your glass breaker right on the back, seatbelt cutter right there. It seems to be pretty sharp back there in the back. Got a little trigger right here, surrounded by some jimpings that they've incorporated into the spine. Dual thumb studs right there. Bam! This pocket clip, actually, with it sitting pretty high like this, it's not too bad. It seems to be pretty beefy. Let's check out this trigger now. Oh yeah, it throws this thing out rather nice for spring assisted. So, got your standard liner lock right there. So let's see, single hand deployment, single hand close. Now my finger slipped on that first one, but it seems to open up fairly nice. This is going to be your size comparison right here. So it is a smaller knife, but still, bam, not bad at all. Got your standard drop point blade on it, all straight blade. And then right here, let's see if this camera will focus, Dragon Strike. That's actually pretty cool. TacForce right up there at the top. Let's see, no jimpings incorporated into the blade, but you do have a little thumb ramp that goes down like that, so you can get a little bit better control. I wouldn't try to choke up on your choil with it being so small. But that's it, guys. Just a simple review on the TF, what I said this thing was, the 686 Dragon Strike knife. So this thing was actually a pretty cool looking knife, super fast. Let's see, single hand deployment, bam, yeah. Single hand close, no problem, guys. But anyway, guys, if you were thinking about getting it, I hope the review helped. I'll leave a link in the description. If you want to see a more in-depth review where we dive into the sharpness and, you know, we see what it looks like in the pocket and things like that, be sure to go check us out over at Product Probes. That's our other channel, and I will see y'all in the next one.